Hi everyone, our ocean needs our help, and the traditional artificial reef are a great start. We want to build on that idea specifically to bring back pearl oysters. So we use a design method called topology optimization. This means a computer helps us to put material only where it needs most to create the perfect shape for baby oyster to settle on. We use eco-friendly materials, a natural material called PHA mixed with oyster shell powder. The material constructs a real reef, making it safe, natural, and highly attractive for pearl oyster to go on. This creates a lightweight, strong, and perfect home. The competition was a wonderful experience. The best part was making models and testing them. We had to see how PHA and oyster shell blend together in real life, and change our design many times to match the exact needs of pearl oysters. This taught us how to turn a lab idea into a real-world solution. Winning this competition feels amazing. It has connected us with mentors and partners who want to help us grow. In the future, we want to see this sustainable reef helping pearl oyster restoration and marine life everywhere. Our goal is to bring back healthy ecosystem and protect nature. We want to show how smart design and green material can help humans and the planet thrive together. Thank you so much for this award.